Huawei Honor 9N has been launched as 3GB RAM with 32GB ROM, 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. The dual SIM Nano Honor 9N runs Android 8.0 Oreo with EMUI 8.0 on top and sports a 5.84-inch 1080 by 2280 pixels Full HD plus FullView IPS display with 19:9 aspect ratio and 2.5D curved glass. Under the hood, there is an octa-core HiSilicon Kirin 659 SoC, coupled with 3GB or 4GB of RAM, depending on the variant. Honor 9N has a dual-camera setup, comprising of a 13MP primary camera and a 2MP sensor for measuring depth. On the front, it features a 16MP selfie snapper. The phone is powered by a Kirin 659 processor. Honor 9N will get GPU turbo update in the coming months which will drastically enhance the performance. Honor 9N sports a 5.84-inch FHD Plus display and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The display is way better than the one seen on the Honor 9 Lite. Honor 9N comes in 4 color options: Midnight Black, Robin Egg Blue, Sapphire Blue, and Lavender Purple. Honor 9N gets a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels. The screen has a 19:9 aspect ratio. In terms of optics, Honor 9N sports a 13MP primary sensor and 2MP depth sensing camera sensor on the rear. There is a 16MP selfie camera that comes with AI beautification mode.